Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. So today I'm going to be trying out the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. This is her right here. So she retails for $50. And I was a little bit intrigued because I was curious to know why. So I picked it up, and let me just show you guys the box though, because the packaging was kind of like, this is the Silk Canvas Primer. It is a filter finish protective primer with 0.7 ounce of product, which is actually a little bit less than most primers. Okay, so this filter finish protective primer is for all skin types. I don't know about that. Invisible layers of silk instantly filter away imperfections and invisible layers of silk instantly filter away imperfections and impurities for alluring skin all day and over time. It primes with silk powder for long-lasting, flawless makeup. Protects the skin from makeup and pollution. Color corrects. Color corrects with a universal shade for healthy, soft, focused glow. Anti-aging Japanese superfoods help restore the look of youthful radiance. This is sounding like it's going to change your whole life. You know, like all these things that it's supposed to do. It came in this little cute square thing, which is really nice. Also came in this little astronaut package. And it comes with this little scooper, which I think it's a scooper. It comes with instructions. Bonjour. Si vous avez déjà vu le maquillage de... So what we're not going to do is read a whole novel to apply our primer. So we're just going to look at the picture, which it says glide across the surface and fill up to the line. And then we're going to put it on our face. Yep. All right, so... It smells really good. It smells like some type of skincare product with like just natural, like herb, like it reminds me of like Aveda products. If you ever use like Aveda hair care, like no, it smells like Way. It smells like that brand Way, like the hair pomade. So we're gonna take our handy dandy scooper and we're going to fill it up to the line. Now, are we holding it this way or? Okay, so we're just gonna take some of the primer. Oh, okay, so this is supposed to be like one application, I guess, for my entire face. Okay, so we're gonna just put it on. It feels really good, you guys. It feels like soothing and just like, I don't know how to describe the sensation, but it feels like relaxing. It feels like I'm applying butter to my face right now. It's very soothing and relaxing, and it almost has a cooling effect to it. Okay, it looks pretty white, but let's just see if it, rubs in. I did not use too much. Don't try to come for me. I used what they told me to use, which was I filled up to the line, okay? So we're gonna just rub this in. Not really sure if it's going to. Okay, so this is what the primer looks like right now. I'm not really sure why it's super white, but I guess this is how it color corrects because it kind of makes you like one color. So everyone's going to be this color, so it's going to color correct. I see what they did there. All right, so we're going to use foundation. I think I'm going to use NARS today. I'm going to use the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation in Macao. What's going to happen? Gonna just dab that into my face. So it's looking pretty smooth so far. Like I see this is looking really smooth and nice. Let's just try the side of my face. So the foundation applied really nicely. So I'm going to finish off my makeup and I'll be back to tell you guys what I think about these claims. Alright guys, so I did film this entire makeup look, and I did do tutorial on the eye makeup, so that's gonna be coming, or maybe it already came. I don't know what's gonna happen first here. So overall, I think the primer looks really good under my makeup. My makeup looks really, really nice. I do see it looking, very blurry and just like a filter-ish on certain parts of my face. I do have some problematic skin, like it's problematic. Overall, I do think it looks really nice. It does feel really nice and just light. You don't see any, whiteness or just a white cast or anything like that. So the whiteness does not affect you at all. Thank you. I do see where they talk about color correcting because I have a very even application of foundation. Like even when I first applied the foundation, it was very, very even across my face. So I do feel like that's where they're going with the kind of color correcting situation. And it feels really nice. I love the way it felt on my face. It felt very cool, and it's not something that I would use every single day because that little tub of that thing, that will be done in 2 seconds. So it's not something that I'm going to use every single day, but I definitely would whip it out when I wanted something like extra, And if you do have oily skin, you can always layer it with a powder to help soak up your oils. Or you can just use a mattifying primer with this one to help combat your oil. You can try a sample, I would say, and then see, what you think about it. But is it nice? Like, it's nice. It feels good. It looks good, I would try it. Do you need it? No. Should you try it? Yeah. Anyways, you guys, that is it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.